Have you ever wondered if the spiritual concept of karma has any connection with the principles of physics? It's an intriguing thought, isn't it? We usually consider science and spirituality as distinct realms, but what if they're more interconnected than we think? This brings us to an exciting journey into the realms of Newton's third law, the law of conservation of energy, and the famous equation E equals mc squared. Karma says for every action there is a cause and effect associated with it. Newton's third law states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Here, the effect of the action mentioned in karma is nothing but the equal and opposite reaction stated in this Newton's third law. Karma, much like Newton's law, emphasizes the interconnectedness of actions and their consequences. If you think only physical actions have these opposite reactions, then what about the thoughts, desires, so on and so forth? Here comes the answer. The law of conservation of energy asserts that energy cannot be created nor destroyed, it merely transforms from one form to another. Well, don't we know that even thoughts, desires, or anything is associated with energy? So when we think about the energy intrinsic to our thoughts, words, and deeds, it doesn't just disappear, it converts from one form to another. As they are changing forms, we are unable to map them. This is the principle of energy conservation woven into the fabric of karma. The energy inherent in our thoughts, words, and actions doesn't vanish into the void, but rather persists according to this law of conservation of energy. We understood the effects of the actions, then the next question unanswered in the karma is the cause of every action. Here comes the blow. Einstein's famous equation E equals mc squared is often associated with nuclear reactions, but could it also explain the reincarnation underlying aspect of karma? This equation tells us energy and mass are interchangeable. When applied to karma, it suggests that the energy from our past actions, both good and bad, is never lost. It could transform into matter that is into these three bodies: Karana Sarira, causal body, Sukshma Sarira, subtle body, and Sthula Sarira, gross body, that makes up ourselves. That is the cause of our actions, or cause of our present state is nothing but our own past actions. Lost into some deep thoughts? Wake up, we have something interesting here. If we use this formula, it confirms that for these bodies to be created, they just use a minuscule of our energy, because this mass equals to energy divided by square the speed of light. Which means still lots of energy is yet to be reaped. That's the reason the spiritual teachers say it's not just one life. So now coming to the present, we are sure that we are just reaping the results of our own actions. So stop judging others and we shall try to consciously pick our actions for our better future. As we contemplate the profound implications of the karma physics connection, let's take a short pause. If you're enjoying this video, finding value in our content, or just love exploring the deeper mysteries of life, we invite you to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us to continue creating enlightening content, and we appreciate every single one of you. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful discussions. Thank you for your time, and remember, every action has a consequence. Choose wisely.